from fresh water leaves to a yummy pot of vegetable soup. Hello everyone, welcome to Border's Kitchen and my name is Sharon. So let's begin. First I'm going to get the water leaves from my garden. I actually planted this flower and I noticed some water leaves were growing inside of it as weed. So I allow it get matured and then pluck it off. As you can see, it's fresh from the garden and good to use. So let's begin with the recipe. To clean the leaves, all you have to do is pluck off the leaves and then wash it. You can see the way I'm plucking it. I'm going to take the leaves and throw away the stem, just like that. And then the flowers too is not edible. We're throwing away the flowers as well. You see me cutting off the flower. After that, you just break it when it's at the softer part of the stem, just the way we do for African spinach, efo. Same process for this water leaf. So I'm just going to repeat it for the other leaves. After that, I'm going to wash it. So I'm going to show you everything for this recipe. I'm going to be showing you the other ingredients I'm going to be using, so watch to the end. These are the ingredients. I have pepper, this is scotch bonnet, that is grounded crayfish, that's cow skin, I've sliced it, that's palm oil, that is the dried fish I'm going to be using, and of course some ugu leaves goes well as well with this water leaf. So watch to the end of the video and see how it's going to come out. So to begin, I'm going to wash the fish with hot water, but before then let me show you the periwinkle I'm going to be adding. This is the periwinkle, I've washed it. So this is the hot water, I'm pouring it into the fish. This will allow whatever dirt or whatever inside the fish to get off because it's hot water, of course. So I'm slicing the ugu leaves now. After that, I'm going to slice the water leaves as well. So from there we continue with the cooking process. Guys, I just finished slicing the ugu leaves now, so we are making progress, right? After the slicing of ugu leaves, next is water leaf. This is how it looks. I've finished slicing it. Now in a clean pot, I'm going to add the washed fish. I'm as well going to add the cow skin. After that, I'm going to go on to add grinded pepper. You know, I showed you the scotch bonnet, so I've grinded it. Then I'm as well going to use 2 seasoning cubes to boil the fish for like 10 to 15 minutes. Also adding salt. After that, I'm going to put very little amount of water because this soup does not really need a lot of water. Remember, it's water leaf. So after that, I'm just going to cover it. So it's been boiling for like 15 minutes now. The fish is soft. Now I'm just going to add the crayfish, just little amount. I'll save the other for later, and little amount of oil. This process is necessary because the oil and the crayfish cooking with the meat, or rather fish, will help combine and make a very good stock. So after that, in a clean pot, I'm not adding water, so I'm just going to add the water leaf and let it cook for like 5 minutes. You don't allow it get burnt, so you can stir. It's not going to get burnt anyway. The reason for this process is because there was no sun in my area. People usually dry water leaves after slicing it. They usually dry it to reduce the amount of water. So I'm just going to cook it in a hot pot so that it can release its own water before adding the rest of the ingredients. So it's been about 7 minutes now. You can see that the water leaf has released its water. So I'm going to go ahead and add the remaining of my crayfish and another little amount of palm oil. After that, I'm going to add the sliced ugu leaves and stir very well. So this is the ugu leaves. I'm adding it into the pot now and I'm giving it a quick stir.
Kitchen with Sharon, entertainment, educative and fun. We showcase food recipes, Nigerian food like egusi.
So guys, it's fully combined now. I'm going to go on to add the boiled fish and stock together. If you don't want so much water in your soup, just remove the water
Stay
from the
tuned and share
fish
our
and just
video.
add only the fish. So I went on to add the periwinkle as well. At this stage the food is almost ready. Remember, it's vegetable soup, you don't have to cook it for so long. So guys, ignore this blur on my camera. I didn't know, I didn't check it very well. So it's ready, and I had it with yellow curry eba. So thank you so much for watching. Please drop a comment, like and share. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.